Hey guys, Lilis Tools here, and today we're going to go over my experience with Proto Tools warranty, specifically their online email warranty. So, I did a bit of searching online and I found a customer support email, and I messaged them up and said, hey, I have some tools that I need warrantied out, and they got back to me within a day, and they said, could we get some more information, place of purchase, date of purchase, and pictures? And I said I do not know the place or the date, but I got all the pictures, and here you go. I sent them the pictures, and they said all right, and they put in an order for me, and I received it within about 2 weeks, I believe. I still have some other items that they're still warranting out, some things on back order and whatnot. But I just thought I'd let you know that the lady from Proto or Stanley Black & Decker I spoke with was very nice and everything, and it was quite a simple procedure. I'll just go over what I got warranted. I got a 3/8 deep 12.38 socket. I got a 3/8 drive shallow 12.7/16 socket. Different logo on this one than the others. It does say USA though, so that's all that matters. And a 1/2" drive, 1/2" 12-point shallow. And this guy I'm keeping in the bag because I don't have a place for it or a need for it right now, but this is a 1/2" drive, 19/32 12-point. So that's that from Proto. And when I get more items, I'll throw them in sort of like I'm doing here. I received another warranty item from Snap-on. That's mold aviation tin snips, and they sent me out a new pair. There they are. So there's those guys. And I received another socket from Mac. This is a 3/8 drive, 1/2" 6-point shallow. And Mac really outdid themselves with this guy. I had emailed them and I said, is there any chance I could get a warranty? I had a old bit holding screwdriver with bits in the handle. I didn't have the cap anymore, I didn't have the bits, nothing. And that said part number they don't make anymore. And I searched their site and I said, hey, this is the most similar item I could find. Would you be able to warranty that item out? And they said, yep, that'll be on its way. And I just received it. And it's bit holding screwdriver. And it's got all the bits in it. And they're all Mac branded. And wow, Mac outdid themselves with that one. So I just wanted to let you know. So that's today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you found it informative or anything like that, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for 200 subs. 2 thumbs up for that. Thank you very much. Let's keep growing and grow this awesome community and talk about tools and have fun and all the good stuff. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.